Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is timeless reading and no contact reading for those especially who are in separation or no contact. So will they come back to you or will they call or text you? So this is general and timeless reading. So let's see Sagittarius. Will they come back? Sagittarius. And this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates. Will they come back? Under the deck, King of Pentacles with Page of Pentacles. Yes. So they are trying to initiate contact here. For some, maybe your person already approached you. Definitely your person thinking about stability. They really wanting you back here. And you, for some, your person is a very workaholic person here. But they really want to initiate contact. So, Five of Pentacles. Definitely in recent past, maybe they ghosted you or they always in and out of your life. Some cold shouldering energy from their side. Maybe they walked away from you. But now they realized you both here because Ace of Pentacles. They really want to be with you and they want long term with you. Maybe they're realizing you both now. That's why they really want new beginnings. Yeah, this time your person is very, very serious about you, Sagittarius, because Knight of Pentacles with Ace of Pentacles. So Knight of Pentacles card is very serious card. Maybe this person is very serious about you and this person really want to offer stability here. Yes, Knight of Pentacles with Ace of Pentacles. Long term and stability. If you are in relationship with this person, they want to marry you. They want long term with you. So let's clarify these cards. Maybe you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's clarify Five of Pentacles. Sagittarius. Let's clarify. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces. Let's clarify Ace of Pentacles. Let's clarify Knight of Pentacles. Under the deck, the Star. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. Nine of Pentacles with High Priestess. Yes, your person really thinking about stability here. And your person is also very independent and powerful person and workaholic person. Maybe your person is also financially very, very stable. So, Five of Pentacles is clarified by King of Cups, the Moon and Four of Wands. There are some trust issues or there are some family issues or some illusions involved in this relationship and they want to break those illusions and they really want to offer their cup of love to you because King of Cups with Four of Wands. They do love you but something is stopping them. That's why in past maybe they ghosted you or they disappeared without saying anything. And Ace of Pentacles clarified by Four of Cups, the Hangman and the Fool. They are stuck on you. They're still missing you. Because right now you both are in no contact and separation. They are missing you. They're feeling bored without you. That's why they want brand new beginnings with you. It is very difficult for you. So it is very difficult for them, not you. So that's why they want to offer long term here. And Knight of Pentacles. They are implementing the plan. And they're coming towards you, a Knight of Pentacles, and they're taking action. Yes, waiting period is over here. Definitely King of Wands, because they're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you and they're in depression and anxiety energy. That's why finally they're going to making a move. Yeah, maybe for some it is a waiting period, but it is going to be end very, very soon. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Pisces. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me.